Hey guys, good morning. This is Jeremy with Rain Roofing. I am in Greatwood this morning in the Brooks Mill subdivision, and I just got off the roof with an insurance adjuster, and this roof is approved for replacement by insurance. So great news for Greatwood residents, and I'm going to take you up on the roof and show you what we saw. All right, here we go up the ladder. Let's take a look at this roof. So this roof is probably 13 to 15 years old. You can see all that shiny edges on the shingles. That's just general wear and tear. This right here, some damage from somebody walking on it. But as we get up here, hopefully you can see some circles for some hail damage. So these are spots the adjuster marked to prove to the insurance company that we've got hail damage up here, and these are some spots that I marked for him to prove hail damage. So great news for this homeowner getting a new roof.